how to transfer money from Uber to Cash App. So here's what you want to do. You want to load up your web browser and go to this website, wallet.uber.com. Now, once you go into this website, it is going to ask you to log in into your account, so just do that. And once you have been logged in, it is going to take you to a page like this. From here, we want to scroll down until you see payment methods, and you will click on add payment method. Now here, what we want to do is select receive. Okay, so it's going to show us bank account, credit or debit card. We want to choose credit or debit card. And here, what you're going to do is input your cash card information. So the card number, the expiration date, and the security code. You can get it from within the Cash App or on your physical cash card if you have one. So simply fill out this information, click on add, and then you can cash out into your Cash App. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.